please hit the subscribe button so that it will help me to create more latest videos.
Welcome, tech enthusiasts and Pokemon fans alike, to In Search of Tech, your one-stop destination for all things technology. In this journey, we will be delving into the fascinating world of tech trends, breakthroughs, and much more. Today, we have something truly special in store for you. We are going to explore an iconic phenomenon that has captured the hearts of millions worldwide, Pokémon. But this isn't just any exploration. We are going to delve into the world of Pokémon Go, now available in Hindi. So buckle up, trainers, and join us as we embark on this exciting adventure. Stay tuned and let's catch 'em all. In the 90s, a phenomenon swept across the globe, capturing the hearts of millions. Pokémon, a world filled with incredible creatures and adventures, became a defining part of our childhoods. For many of us, it was more than just a game or a TV show. It was a way of life. Fast forward to today, and Pokémon's appeal continues to cross borders and generations. In a remarkable recent development, Pokémon Go, the game that brought our cherished childhood memories to life, is now available in Hindi. This initiative aims to deepen the connection between Pokémon and its Indian fanbase, offering players a whole new immersive experience. The developers didn't stop at just language localization. Several Pokémon have been renamed in Hindi, a move designed to resonate with Indian players and further enhance their gaming experience. But that's not all. To celebrate this milestone, Niantic, the team behind Pokémon Go, is planning a month-long event exclusively for Indian players. Named Aao Khele, this event, live from mid-September to mid-October, offers a plethora of bonuses, research tasks, and more. The fun continues with the Pokémon Go Mela, a special event hosted at select locations in November and December, packed with exciting features and special rewards. Niantic has also restructured the pricing for coin bundles for Indian players, making the game more accessible and enjoyable. Reflecting on Pokémon's journey in India, Takada Utsunomiya, Chief Operating Officer of the Pokémon Company, expressed his excitement about the game's localization and the company's commitment to the Indian market. So, as we step into the world of Pokémon Go, now in Hindi, it feels like a homecoming. A journey that began in front of our television screens continues on our smartphones, in our local language, fostering a sense of familiarity and nostalgia. Pokémon Go's launch in Hindi is not just a game update, it's a celebration of culture, language, and the enduring power of Pokémon. It's a testament to Pokémon's ability to transcend generations and cultures, uniting us all in the joy of play and discovery. With Pokémon Go now in Hindi, it's time to rekindle our childhood memories and embark on new adventures in the world of Pokémon. Whether you're a seasoned player or new to the game, there's something for everyone. So grab your smartphone, step outside, and let Pokémon Go take you on a journey like never before. Because in the world of Pokémon, adventure awaits at every corner. And there you have it, folks. That's all for today's adventure in the world of Pokémon Go in Hindi. We've traversed the realm of Pokémon, discovered the magic of localization, celebrated our culture and language, and embarked on a journey full of memories and new adventures. We want to take a moment to thank you for joining us on this exciting quest. Your support means the world to us, and we hope you've enjoyed this journey as much as we have. If you'd like to stay connected and join us for more thrilling expeditions, please do subscribe to our channel. Remember, each subscription helps us bring more of such fascinating content to you. So don't be shy, hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, make sure to hit the bell icon too. This way, you'll be notified each time we upload a new video, and you won't miss out on any of our future adventures. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep catching 'em all. And remember, in the world of Pokémon, the journey never truly ends. It merely awaits the start of a new adventure.